So hey guys, so in today's topic we are going to talk about IPL, the Indian Premier League, and we got few announcement in it. So the first topic we are going to talk about is IPL better with crowd or with not crowd, no audience or with audience, or IPL is better by seeing by having a sponsor Dream 11. So I think so it affects people. So let's go into the topics. Now first we are going to talk about Dream 11. So guys, as I told you, Dream 11 affects. So what is Dream 11? What kind of game is it? So Dream 11 is a game which is based on betting. So Dream 11, if I choose 11 for a single match, so Dream 11 and cricket is like interconnected, because if Rohit Sharma scores 50 and if someone bets that Rohit Sharma scores 50, he wins a bet against another person. So it is like interconnected. So a person has to choose 11 for a particular match, and he will like if that 11 only comes in the match, so he will get some points and he will get some money from the better, his challenger. So this is the kind of game which is Dream 11. So yeah, it is both are interconnected, but seeing IPL is seen by hundreds of people irrespective of their age. So I see IPL, my grandma sees IPL, my father sees IPL, everyone sees IPL. It's like nearly a festival. So yeah, so people like get addicted, like seeing the sponsors of Dream 11. People like get people like wants to download the Dream 11 and they want to play Dream 11, which is not good, because I take an example of me. So if I play Dream 11 and I get addicted to betting in my young age, I will be affected very much. So I don't know how BCCI accepted this, but and the Indian government also accepted this. But yeah, that's the sponsors are very much important. And Dream 11 has also given less money than the normal. It has given only 222 crores. Actually, they have to give 440 crores. So yeah, this is the thing about Dream 11. Now we'll go into the next topic of with audience and without audience. So first we are going to talk about without audience. And guys, another point about, before going to the next topic, and another point about Dream 11, if I get addicted to Dream 11 and I start betting with others and I lose my bettings, so I have to give money from my get money and give money from my parents to others. So this addiction will create loss of money and loss of property. So yeah, this game is not good as per my opinion. So what do you think, guys? Leave it in the comment section. Thank you. So guys, I'll just tell you the reason why IPL happened this year. It is because IPL is a main part of the GDP of India, economy also of India. So yeah, if IPL happens in UAE and without no crowds, what are the disadvantages and advantages? Now we'll discuss about it. So we'll first start with the disadvantages, because there are a lot of disadvantages in the IPL. And if there is no crowd, the energy of the players and the crowd's grace and the positive vibration will not spread over the ground. I see this not as a big thing, but the players need some energy, some support. If a player hits a 100 or 50 in an IPL, they'll be supported by the crowd. But now he has to just open his bat and throw it to only his team and some staff. So the energy will be gone. And the second thing, there's a loss of money for IPL, because the crowd gives lot of money that to improve the GDP very much. So IPL gets a loss here too. So the third thing that now we'll go to the disadvantages. I'm not going to say like more. So only one advantage is there, that players can concentrate and play. Sometimes when the crowd shouts, players lose their concentration and they go inside the crowd's mind. So this is also a big thing, because if the player concentrates and play, we'll see more intention in the IPL in this version of the IPL. So we can hear what and all the wicket keepers and the batsmen say this IPL. So let's see what Dhoni says in this IPL. Yeah, we'll go to the next topic, which is with crowd. So we are now going to talk about advantages and disadvantages with crowd. So with crowd is most of advantages because it creates a lot of profit, blah blah blah. So let's leave about that. Now we'll start with the advantages. It is a big advantage with crowd because IPL gets a lot of money through crowd, and the positive vibration spreads all through the ground. So that's not a big thing, but players will be happy if they hit 100. They got celebration. So it's just the opposite of without crowd. And disadvantages for us who's watching in TV. Sometimes we watch in TV. That in without crowd we can hear what the players say, because it can be so clear, and we can say that this ball we are going to put this ball, and Dream 11 also it's a good advantage because in Dream 11 if a chota ball dal if he says like that, so it's gonna be a short ball, so we can like click in there. Yeah, there are many things like that. So yeah, there are many things in advantages and disadvantages. So what do you think, guys? So like comment below in the comment section. So this video is over, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope so you liked it, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for getting my notifications and for receiving my video. Thank you for watching this, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and hope so we make more future videos about cricket. So thank you. Bye.